everyone. In this video, let us discuss important interview programs so called reverse and array. So from easy level, so that is from Geeks for Geeks platform. So first, let us see the problem statement here. So that is you are given an array of integers array. You have to reverse the given array. So observe the note information here. So modify the array in place. Actually, so we are discussing Python program, right? Okay. So we have inbuilt functions so called so array dot reverse. Okay. So but intruders won't accept so the inbuilt methods. Without using inbuilt methods, we have to design the program. Okay. And so just for reversing array values, we have some function called sorted or else slice operation. So that is array of double colon minus one. Okay. Or else you can use the loop like this. So that is size minus one. So minus one and minus one. Printing so the array values in reverse direction. So but here this one won't reverses the original array here. Okay. So we need to convert the original array itself to the reverse direction. Okay. That is the problem statement here. Modify the array in place. Okay. Without using inbuilt method. I hope so. You understood the problem statement now. So this is possible. So with two-pointer approach, and in Python we have one more way. So for designing this, okay. But with this program, I'll introduce two-pointer approach here. Okay. So first I'll explain. Have a look. So let us take some values here. So called 10, 20, 30, 40, next, so 50. So you all know, so the array index position so starts from 0 and the next ends with size minus 1, right? So the simple thing is, you know the two-pointer approach. So we need to take so two variables to the two positions. So for the beginning position, so we take start pointer, and for the last position, so we take end pointer. Okay. So the simple thing is swapping the beginning position values with the ending position values, so that so the array values are going to be reversed. Let us see. So the program. First, let us swap. So start and end position values. Okay. What happens on swapping these two? Swapping these two, so you'll get updated array like this. That is, 50 moves to the 0th position. Next, 20 remains in the same location. 30 also same. And 40 also in the same location, but 10 moves to the 50 location. Okay. So after swapping, so 0 and 4 positions, it's not required to work with those locations. Okay. So we can update start to the next location and end to the previous location here. Okay. Start and so end. So update it to the next and previous locations here. Afterwards, again, we need to perform so the swap of start and end position values. Okay. Swapping. So what is the updated array we are going to get here? Observe everyone. Okay. 50. So 40 comes to 20 value location and 30 remains in same location. So 20 moves to 40 value location and so 10. So again on updating start and end pointers, okay, you can observe this that both the start and end pointers reach to the same location, okay. So on reaching start and end pointers to the same location, we can stop the so processing here. After that, you can observe here the array values are reversed, okay. So with this two-pointer approach, so we can reverse an array values in place. Okay. So first, let us quickly complete so the execution of this program. Okay. So observe everyone. First, I am taking so start and end pointers here, and next of all, I am taking the condition called start less than end. After that, we need to swap start and end position values here, right? Okay. So observe array of start and array of end is equals to array of end comma array of start. Okay. Next to that start, we need to increment, end we need to decrement by one. Okay. So after this, if you gone through, you can understand one thing that original array values itself reversed. Okay. Submitting the code, check all test cases passed here. Okay. Yes. And apart from this, we have another way. I'm keeping this entire code in comments. Okay. I'll explain so the another one here, short approach. So just have a look at that. So the concept is we need to swap starting position values with the ending position values, right? Okay. See, in the previous program, we used a while loop, right? But you know this with the help of for loop, we can generate so the all these indexes, right? So I'll do one thing now. Now I'll use for loop for generating these indexes, okay? So you know we use I variable, right? For generating beginning positions, I'm going to use so for loop. And next of all, how we can generate the ending position values here, we need to focus. With the help of beginning positions, we need to go for generating the ending positions here. How is it possible? Let us see. So if you observe one thing carefully, you can understood one thing. So that is, first of all, we should generate for position 4 for this example. Next of all, so position 3. So next of all, position 2. That is, on moving to the next iterations. So here one position has to be reduced. Okay. So from the ending. Listen my words carefully. In my words itself, logic lies. Okay. So general, what is the expression we take for so the ending position that is n minus 1, right? Okay. What I am saying on moving to the next iterations, one position has to be reduced. Okay. So index has to be reduced. Index values we are collecting into I variable, right? That one we need to reduce. Means we should take this expression n minus 1 minus I or else n minus I minus 1. Both are same. Okay. There is no change in it. With the help of I and n minus, if we swap I and n minus I minus 1 positions, so we are going to get so the reverse. Sorry. Let us take so initial I value 0. Okay. So for I value 0, what is the value we are going to get for this? Okay. N value is 5. 5 minus 0 minus it's 1, that is 4. So I value 0 position value is going to be swapped with 4th position. Next, let us take so I value 1. Let us see what is result of this expression for I value 1. Okay. 5 minus 1 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3. See, first and so third position values get swapped. Okay. So next for I value 2, substituting I value 2 in this expression, we get 5 minus 2 minus 1, that is 2. So clearly it is proved that beginning positions and ending positions we can swap it with this expression. Okay. Let us quickly complete this logic also and check whether it executes or not. Okay. Um, so first I'm collecting a length of array here. It's not required to run the loop up to the ending now. Once again, we need to traverse up to half of the array. You can check for both even length and odd length, it works. Okay, there is no problem in it. So what we need to do, I position values, we need to swap with n minus I minus 1 positions. Okay, n minus I minus 1 positions. Simple one. Okay. So let us compile and run. Next of all, submit. Yeah, you can check that it's working. Okay. So I explained two ways here for reversing an array in place. Okay. It's very important. So even in strings also, we have the same. So program in lead code platform and remaining platforms. So you can check. Okay. I hope so each and everyone understood so this. Okay. So thank you. Thank you everyone.